This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Alissa Nead. Spacious, well-maintained home with vaulted beam ceilings. Large living room features wood-burning fireplace, built-in shelving and storage. Kitchen features more than ample cabinetry and Corian counters, newer appliances. Laundry with pantry and cabinetry opens to two-car garage. Owner's suite features walk-in closet, bath with jetted tub and private sitting room or office. 2 additional bedrooms and bath. Private deck overlooks fenced yard backyard. Walk-in crawl with additional storage space. Loved. For more information, review the details below.